My husband informed me this was his favorite game as a kid and I remember playing with my sister and loving it as well. This is a great and fun way to bring families together. Nobody got mad, cried or putted and the kids were good too. This comes with the blue square form, leg, ice cube, penguin and 2 hammers. Our 3-year-old needs some assistance when putting the ice into the form ITSL together with tension. ITS a tight fit but works great. Just fill the form with ice, push the leg on, they snap into the seed, and grab your hammer. My husband and I played a quick game first to show the kids how it was done and they played with us on the second and many subsequent games. The children were a little too gentle with the hammer in the beginning but it didn't take long before they were hammering like pro. The object is to hammer out the cube of ice while leaving the penguin safely on his mound of ice. The one who knocks him off, loses. This game takes a little strategy and we didn't know if the 3-year-old would be able to strategize. Surprisingly, one of our 3-year-old is really good at it and actually won a couple of times. And not because we let her. We think SHES a genius, but who doesn't think their child is? Lol. I really enjoyed this game and we have played it more times than I can count at this point. I believe this is now our children's favorite game too. I'm so excited that they're getting to an age we can share fun things like this with them. Overall, it was a star experience. The ice blocks sit well in the game and define the penguins test tight in the corner or wherever you place it the whole game. The leg fall off easy when you're trying to flip the board over but it doesn't affect gameplay, you just have to be careful. Getting the game back together is a challenge for my 3-year-old alone so you'll have to help get the ice pieces in some time. Everything fits back in the box easily and store great. Others add that my son love it and it has brought so much joy to family game night. Look great, thank you. It up star to the bottom of the cube. For every color star the child has to answer a specific question. Use it in my therapy office. I bought this game for my 75-year-old. I had this game as a kid and wanted to share the fun experience with my child. This new game functions very similarly, but has 2 flaws in its newer design. 1. The penguin character doesn't sit very well into his block with the slot so it's much easier to accidentally knock him off his ice cube. 2. The leg come off the table too easily and can be frustrating to set up, since they don't click into place. Other than those frustrations, this is still a fun game and low of fun to play. If you like Asin, B00ABA0ZOA Jenga Classic Game, or Asin, B000205X3 Kerplunk Game, don't let the marbles fall, then you understand how this game works, and will almost certainly enjoy it. Take it in turns to hammer away blocks of ice until finally the penguin falls. All plastic, looks as expected. Low of time to set up, placing all the ice cube into the frame, but a part of the motor skills learning function. Quite cleverly designed and engineered, except for the legs that come off way too readily. Gameplay is fun and easy, needs no skill other than being able to gently swing a hammer. My 6 and 3-year-old have come back to this game many more times than they have guessed, so it does have a lasting appeal. Not going to be a classic, but great family fun and nice to have something that needs no battery and tidy away into the box it came in. My 4,5-year-old is thrilled with this game. Yes, I have to do most of the ice packing, but for me the entire point is to play together so it doesn't bother me. Fill out the outside edges first, the middle and then fill in by row works best for me. My son help, but I do the squeezing part. Works best on a hard surface. We tried on a bed and carpet and it made it not really work. The anticipation of the penguin falling makes my son giggle and shout. HES learning how to go hitting the ice to make them fall and not make the penguin collapse. HES learning which pieces falling cause the entire structure to collapse, so HES actually learning and thinking strategy while playing. My older teens think it is fun to play with him too. So point for family fun. The games are pretty quick, so be prepared to rebuild often. The leg come off for easy box storage. I didn't have this game before so I can compare it to earlier version. However, feel it would be great as school icebreaker to get kids to play together. We think this game is super fun. Click link in description for more reviews.